in Chevron in Renton, Washington, and I am joined by Duckboy2634 and Big Burger Boy 2005.
AKA Pacific Northwest Car Wash Channel.
And Duckboy2634 for me.
Okay. And
of course, it's on me too. So.
BayWash i5. Here's the undercarriage wash. And then here is the brush. I really like the flex design.
Same. These feel nice. This is foam.
This is design.
Oh, it is does.
There's your core logo. There's some cleaning brushes. There's your are those Superior dryers.
Yeah.
Oh, it dripped on my back. Ew.
Here's the top.
That's a big top brush.
There's like a cover over it.
That's really weird.
See inside the corners.
There's algae all over the floor.
A little bit of moss, but it's
Look at that's algae right there on the ground.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. It could be worse.
Yeah. This bay is very wide open.
There's a washing machine. Look at this.
What? There's a washing machine?
2 of them actually. An older one from this is a Kenmore with pine needles in it.
Why is there a washing machine?
It's even.
Yeah, it probably works.
It works. Dude, what?
For all you
Talks to
washing
you.
machine fans,
Sings to you.
I'm pretty sure that
This is the same washing machine.
Here's your Superior dryer. Wait, are these Superior?
Yeah, these are Superior. I'm gonna turn it on. Pure Cycle.
There's no clothes in there.
Yeah, the Pure Cycle is like self-cleaning.
Oh.
Now.
Here's another look at the machine itself.
Then here's like oh, this is a Kenmore.
Yeah, 80 series, the crappiest one I've heard. Look, they sound like this. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Somebody's on their car.
Okay. Now.
This is a big bay. Bug.
Yeah, hopefully they're not keeping me moving. And yeah, there's someone right behind us.
I'll just keep my camera rolling because I don't know how to edit my videos, so yeah.
We're gonna be getting $13.
I'm ready.
So there's someone behind us.
That's fine.
But yeah, we'll get going in just a second.
Hey, where can I stand? Noah?
Yeah.
Where can I stand?
Right next to I guess.
Here, can I stay in the bay too?
Please wait.
Can I stay in the bay?
Let's stay out here.
Please wait.
Okay.
Please drive forward. Thank you. Stop.
with them. Huh? Oh. Totally wet.
How's it can, right?
For real.
You know, on this side.
But it's
So good.